In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images on Ideogram AI. Understanding how to manage and organize your digital creations is essential, and sometimes that involves removing images you no longer need. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First, begin by logging into your Ideogram AI account. It's important to ensure you're signed in so you can access your personal creations and manage them accordingly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard where you should see an option labeled My Creations. Click on this option to proceed. After opening My Creations, you'll be able to see all your generated images. Now hover over the image you wish to delete. As you position your cursor over the image, you'll notice 3 dots appearing at its lower right corner. These dots are your key to unlocking additional options. Click on these dots to open a small menu. Once the menu appears, you'll need to select the option marked Delete. This prompts a confirmation step. It's a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the correct image before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. Confirm the deletion to remove the image from your account permanently. However, here is an important note for users with free accounts. Unfortunately, if you're using a free account, you cannot delete individual images. Images on free accounts are not deletable individually. The system doesn't provide the capacity for selective image removal for these users. If you're a free account holder wondering about getting rid of unwanted images, the only option available, albeit drastic, is to delete your entire account. This step will wipe all your account data, including images, so be sure it's what you want to do. To delete your account, begin by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the interface. Then, navigate through the options and click on the one labeled Delete Account. Confirm this operation when prompted, but remember, this action is irreversible, and you'll lose all data associated with your account. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to delete images on Ideogram AI. To recap, only premium account holders have the flexibility to delete individual images, while free account users must consider deleting their entire account for complete removal of the images. It's crucial to consider your needs and limitations regarding account type when managing your creations. Feel free to share any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.